How to download the Facebook app on your Android phone. Super fast and easy. First, unlock your phone and tap the Play Store icon. Looks like a little triangle. In the search bar up top, type Facebook and hit enter. Look for the one by Meta Platforms Inc. You will see the familiar blue app icon. Now tap the install button. Boom! It will start downloading right away. Once it's done installing, tap open and Facebook will launch. Ready to log in or sign up. Bonus tip. Want a quick access? Long press the app icon and tap add to home screen, so it's always just one tap away. And that's it. Facebook is now on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.